Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a brake light bulb on an Acura ILX. First, gather your tools, including a new bulb and a flathead screwdriver or trim removal tool. Make sure you have the correct bulb type for your specific vehicle model. Working in a well-lit space will make the entire process much easier and safer, ensuring you can clearly see each step. Now, open your trunk and locate the tail light assembly from the inside. You might need to remove some carpet or plastic trim panels to gain full access. Use a trim removal tool or a screwdriver to carefully unclip or unscrew the assembly. This will allow you to pull the entire tail light unit away from the car body, giving you clear access to the bulb sockets. With the tail light assembly free, identify the brake light bulb socket. Gently twist the socket counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing. Once unlocked, carefully pull the old bulb straight out from the socket. Now, take your new bulb and firmly push it into the socket, ensuring it is fully seated. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with bare hands. To finish up, reinsert the bulb socket into the tail light housing and twist it clockwise until it locks securely. Carefully push the entire tail light assembly back into its original position on the vehicle. Reattach any screws or clips you removed earlier. Finally, have someone press the brake pedal while you check to ensure your new brake light is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.